We're gonna take, oh shit, we're gonna take a cat to the vet. Yeah! Go! We're at the vet now. This isn't a bit. We're, I don't know if you can see it. That's the vet building. We took our buddies to the vet. On this harvest moon. Nice. Okay, so, oh.
Turn the fucking camera.
I hope this is a really gross shot of me.
You know, on God's green earth, you gotta make sure even the little creatures get a little love.
Dude, you're gonna be upside down. I just realized this is gonna be so much fun. Whoa! We've been waiting for so long, so we're going to the China market. Oh, I can't say that. Dude, who's this guy? Who's this guy?
Hello.
Maybe. You really wanted these before?
No, I'm not. Is it good?
They're really yummy.
The
Mama always said, yeah, have a bag of chippies.
Mama always said. Okay, so we left. Can you shut the fuck up? Oh, hell no! Oh, wow! Oh, they fucking did not. Wow! Oh, shit. I stopped recording. Wow! They don't know we're about to fucking steal this fucking cat right now.
Free
dude.
cat, baby!
Hey, watch this shit, bro. Oh, never.
These idiots gave us a free cat.
Oh! What's up, little bro? What's up, little dude? Why is he bombastic fucking side on here, dude?
He's geeking.
He is. He's off.
Bear took 3 Percocets and now he's fucking going crazy.
Hey, we told you we geek hard.